straight. Dada.
Menteri Rangba ka Jylla Meghalaya Conrad ke sangma haga kendai trik jemang ula Pyllait ya synsar bakat nyos pa metrik tan ban shalan shabar Jylla nakli umstan Ri Bhoi district. Ya kani kamar anpa sha Central Warehousing Corporation ha Guwahati bakan nilam nong thiet ki bala ban kli dor. Ya kani ka sin jam la le hapo CM Assure ka program bakong san jong sorkar ka bathmu ban kershani ki nong rep nakajingher dor synsar hayo. Ka CM Assure ka pelet jingmot hakimar ki mata ki bampon bat ki bakham ne slam. Ha kani ka program Menteri Rangba ka Jylla ula IT ru iki kali pick up nong yo jingman toy na ka CM Elevate. Habakren ha kani ka singi ula pentep halor ka jing kam jong ka sorkar ban kentiw ya ka rep karyang bat ka baha kamet jong ki nong ram. Ula pentep baka sorkar kelas shime ke senjam bermanra ya ka jinglong jingman ka ban penla ya ka jingkiu ka rap karyang bar ka jing penmi eki weipat ki mar ne ki maram. Ula kedo baka wei ne ki jing tunju baka Jylla ka ya kendu ka dei ka jing penkiu ya ka jing penmi eki maram ka balong kongsan bha na ka benta ban mentoy ki nong ram bar ka kamrap hapo ka Jylla. Henry ula pentikna bagi kenhun beper kila ya ka ya trilang ban weng ya ka ni ka jing Ka sorkar kanya trilang bat ki patba bat ki nong sengkam sengjam benwanra ya ka jingkala ha ka yo kot hanong kendong lingba ki rukam rap ki babahatam uloong. Ki jing sedang jong Meghalaya ha ka liang ka rap karyang kum ka CM Assure bat CM Elevate ki pen iya ka jing shim kya jong sorkar ban kershani ki nong rap bat ban kentiw ya ka roy kapar. Kini ki jing temu ban kentiw ya ka yo kot jong ki nong rap ban kentiw ya ka jing bat ban no senyang sya ka roy kapar jong ka Jylla.
Government has done many things to support and to help our farmers. I'm not saying that we've been able to change everything, but a huge difference has been made. Our friends from the Hill Farmers Union are present out here. They will tell you, and I'm sure they've shared with you, how at different levels, for different challenges, this government has come forward and taken some very, very difficult decisions, but decisions that were necessary to support our farmers. The different mission mode programs, whether you talk of turmeric mission, whether you talk of ginger mission, whether you talk of the aroma mission, the mushroom mission, and many, many more mission mode programs, gave a sense of direction, a timeline, and a way forward to achieve goals in a time-bound manner. Farmers are being supported with seeds, with working capital, with processing units, with transportation, with CM Assure market intervention programs, so on and so forth. But the real transformation will only come with scale. Unless we are not able to do programs and projects at large scale, we will not be able to make the difference that we would like to. So we are doing things, we're doing many small things, which is good. But to have that big impact, we need to go for scale. We are processing 4,000 metric tons of ginger through this unit. This should be 40,000 in the days to come, or 4 lakh metric ton in the days to come. Till we are not able to achieve that scale, we will not be able to touch the national and international market, and will not be able to really transform the lives of our farmers. We created the Directorate for Food Processing, realizing that there's a very important gap that needs to be filled. We took the decision, we went ahead with the creation of a directorate. Whether it was programs like CM Assure, a policy decision had to be made. We realized that our farmers were suffering during the lean period where prices were dropping, lean in terms of demand. And we had to make a tough decision of how we would intervene. And we committed 100 crores for CM Assure today. And I'm happy to tell you that within a matter of months, we have already released 10 crores. And out of the 10 crores, 4 crores is only for Ri Bhoi district alone. And thousands of farmers have benefited from this. I know we still have a lot more challenges. But this is only to show you that we are there with you and we care about you. And we will get through this difficult times together. We will work together. Challenges in life will always be there. But as long as we are there for each other, as long as we support each other, we work together as a team, there is no challenge that we cannot overcome. CM Elevate is not only for vehicles. CM Elevate is a very broad program. And the idea is to support entrepreneurs, communities, societies, to be able to fund them so that they are able to reduce the gap and the challenges that they have.